Get ready for the most insane shredders and crushers ever built. From massive steel beams to 100-year-old timber, nothing escapes their jaws. Buckle up, because here, destruction is turned into a breathtaking spectacle. The visual impact is stunning. 2 hardened steel drums rotating in sync, each tooth shaped like a predator's jaw. They don't just crush, they orchestrate destruction with rhythm. Watching that Cadillac fold under synchronized torque leaves an impression stronger than any demolition video. It's industrial ballet with a mean streak. In the forest silence, a tracked titan awakens, the Pezzolato, PTH 1200 Tower 1000M. Its Scania DC-16 heart roars with 656 horsepower, driving the drum that devours timber without mercy. Each log consumed is a story erased, reborn as chips. This is more than machinery, it's pure drama where steel meets destiny in thunderous cadence. In the smoky haze of an American arena, the Chevy Duramax diesel rises like a steel predator. Its 66-inch tractor tires climb the sedan, crushing glass and steel beneath. Crowds gasp as torque and weight converge, transforming a junk car into rubble, proof of man's fascination with power. Predator 9.0 HS runs with hydraulic rams calibrated to perfection, converting fluid pressure into relentless crushing force. That's engineering mastery. Energy translated into momentum, momentum into throughput. 60 tons per hour isn't hype, it's precision at work. Seeing an old truck flattened under a dozer feels like watching history close a chapter. That vehicle once hauled families, groceries, maybe dreams. Now, 200 horsepower of steel rewrites its purpose, reminding us everything has a cycle. Endings feed new beginnings. The TDS V20 munches wood like a hungry beast at a barbecue. Every chunk disappears with a growl from the Veco plan chamber. It's almost fun to watch, except, of course, don't get too close unless Splinter Rain sounds like your idea of a party. The three-wheeled vehicle that once rolled down the street now takes only a few seconds to become scrap metal under the crushing steel shafts. Recycling technology not only saves costs and recovers valuable materials, but is also far safer than manual dismantling. Press delivers over 150 tons of compressive force, engineered in Belgium for heavy scrap. Each piston stroke channels hydraulic energy into impact, flattening drums into sheets ready for recycling. Mechanical precision meets raw power. Makes you wonder, how many horsepower does it take to shred a 30,000-pound bus? With electric motors rated above 508 HP driving twin rotors, the answer is clear. More power than most locomotives needed a century ago. Progress has its own noise.
A few minutes later.
Who knew rubber that tough could fall apart this fast? The BS6000 chews through reinforced tires like they're soft bread. Sparks jump when steel wire snaps under pressure. Every second feels like watching a small miracle of brute force and precision engineering working in perfect sync. cracking sound as household items are swallowed makes your skin crawl. Something once tied to family memories is now reduced to fragments. Everything has its own life cycle, and recycling is the way an ending can transform into a new beginning. The sheer torque behind the 75 DK is insane. Hundreds of kilonewtons twisting through debris. Watching metal collapse as easily as foam leaves a mark. Strength isn't chaos. It's precision channeling brute force. The VRS stripping tool is built like a precision shear. Steel jaws guided by hydraulics, calibrated to separate copper cores from stubborn insulation. It's not just brute force, it's engineered finesse, maximizing scrap value per pound. Anyone who's fed roots into this beast knows patience matters. Let the Crambo's 500 HP engine work at its pace. Push too much too fast and the teeth jam. Lesson from the yard: efficiency isn't rushing, it's keeping the machine breathing steady. Back in the day, cutting scrap meant gas torches and hours of sparks flying. Now the HSS 600R makes the same job look like slicing bread. Faster, safer, and a whole lot cleaner. Progress in metal recycling has come a long way. Kinda wild to see aluminum radiators that once cooled engines get cooked themselves inside a 748 LB beast. The AC200 turns old car parts into tomorrow's raw material. It's recycling with a smile and a lot of crunching music. The EMD 2020 eats pallets like a kid tearing into pizza on Friday night. Augers spin, wood crunches, and a messy pile becomes neat chips ready for recycling. Funny thing, watching this shredder feels more entertaining than half the shows on TV. The momentum inside the UBC hammer crusher is insane. Rotors slam aluminum with kinetic force so strong, profiles fold like paper fans. This isn't brute chaos, it's designed impact, proof that controlled energy outperforms raw muscle. The dual shear TM doesn't roar, it growls with precision. Each shaft grabs, twists, and tears the OTR carcass apart. It's not chaos, it's engineered momentum. That's why this design is respected worldwide in heavy-duty scrap processing. The power hand VRS runs with a 360-degree hydraulic rotation and heavy-duty grab arms engineered for precision dismantling. Every motion is calculated to separate copper, steel, and aluminum cleanly. That's design efficiency turning scrap into profit. Engineers love the XR's precision. Cutting mattresses down to 50mm particles isn't brute force, it's controlled energy. Downstream separation tech ensures steel springs and clean foam head to different streams, pushing recycling rates close to 100%. The Unishear TM uses a single shaft design with precision cutters, delivering torque that keeps foam flowing without clogging. Engineers designed it to turn low-density material into uniform pieces, a perfect prep step for recycling lines.
That was approximately 20.
Terex engineered the J1170 Ace with a 48x28 jaw and integrated pre-screen, meaning operators get cleaner throughput and less wear. Efficiency here isn't just crushing, it's managing energy transfer and minimizing downtime. The compact particle size the Tana Shark delivers isn't just impressive, it's crucial. Smaller shreds mean easier transport, cleaner recycling streams, and a real boost in energy recovery systems. The LU800T runs with hydraulic precision, each stroke pushing massive momentum through hardened steel blades. Designed in Germany, it shows how engineering turns raw pressure into clean cuts. The MRW's hydraulic system feeds over 240 kN of crushing force straight to the shafts. That's raw momentum channeling into teeth that don't hesitate. Impressive isn't just the noise, it's watching controlled energy transform chaos into uniform mulch. Back in the day, green waste meant piles left to rot. Watching the MRW 2.1010 transform bulky loads into usable biomass feels like watching the future rewrite the past. Technology turned a messy chore into a resource pipeline. SSI's dual shear M85 uses twin 41-inch shafts powered by 174 HP motors, shredding stubborn cardboard into uniform scraps. Its low-speed, high-torque design prevents jams while maximizing throughput. A true workhorse that blends efficiency with reliability in recycling. Wow, those 25 mm openings don't look big, yet seeing sticky construction debris separate so cleanly is impressive. The SBR3 doesn't choke under wet loads as expected. With the power of a Liebherr 510, it's a surprising boost in productivity. Watching aluminum briquettes dissolve in the Lion Shredder is a reminder: nothing lasts forever. With low-speed, high-torque dual motors, even solid blocks break into fragments ready for a second life. Reduce, reuse, recycle. This isn't destruction, it's transformation. The cooling system had silently protected the engine, only to meet its end by being crushed to pieces. Yet, this isn't destruction, it's rebirth. Sometimes an ending is nothing more than the beginning of a new and meaningful life cycle. From the outside, the PRI Max TM PR4000 looks less like a shredder and more like an industrial predator. Massive frame, slow, deliberate power, never rushing but never stopping. The T715RB fixed model is all about precision, hydraulic rams compressing scrap evenly inside a 1000 Alloy 600 box. Engineers in Italy designed it for maximum throughput without jamming. It's energy transfer at its cleanest form, turning chaos into uniform bales. United Zeebo's jumbo bag cutter uses high-torque dual rotors, engineered for continuous throughput, reducing industrial waste with precision and durability. Engineers in China designed this press to turn loose sawdust into pallet legs at 100 sectors with hydraulic precision. Every piston stroke translates pressure into form, proving controlled energy always outperforms raw chaos. Favorite beast? Hit like and subscribe, because the machines coming next will challenge everything you know.